Ends with Amix Evans celebrating number 5. Amix, a very happy birthday to you in Columbus. And this birthday wish comes with love from Tuck and Pops.
Next in Oswego, turning 6 years old, we got Aiden Jurgensen. Is that a fish? That is a massive thing.
Get that, Aiden.
Happy birthday, Aiden.
Get that. Straight cash. As in Cash Zimmerman. There's Cash Zimmerman. Cash celebrating the big number 7 and a happy birthday, kiddo, in McCune.
Next in Uniontown.
Oh, throw up to you.
Ellie Swink Pritchett turning 12 years old.
I got him. Throw it up. There it is. Little Eagle Pride right there. Chloe Storm, happy 14th birthday. Miss Chloe, she celebrates in Jasper.
Next, out of Seneca, Missouri, we have Aspen Elbert turning 25. And he got a special shout out from Mom, Tyler, Nanny, Liv, Ava, Amory, Boston, and the rest of your family.
A little party pick right there from Aspen. That's good. Happy birthday. Peggy Keeling, a happy birthday in Neosho. Hazel McGrew is celebrating a birthday in Crestline. And our good friend Janet Wixon, a happy 85th birthday. Miss Janet is also in Crestline.
We have Ronnie Schultz turning 74 in Columbus. Shirley Scott in Scammon, the birthday was yesterday. We're celebrating today. We have Heather Shaw out of Webb City, and we have Harold Yarbrough out of Miami.
Mr. Harold with his own screen right there. Happy birthday, Harold. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them in to birthdays at koamtv.com. You can also go to our website at koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's Bronte Sawatsky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses. So go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Well, imagine you're caught in the